Hello everybody, we've made it. The end of 2020. Oh, I wish it was December 31st and we can put 2020 to bed, but we're not talking about those kind of dates. We're talking about Hot Wheels dates. This is the Hot Wheels 2020 Q case. Basic Q case. This is the US case. That's what that code right there, L2593, tells you. But it's not December 31st. It is the beginning of October. But in Hot Wheels time, this is the end. Still some premium mixes to go. RLC still going strong. There's some other things to close out this year officially. But we're going to be moving on to 2021 in the next few weeks when the A case comes out for 2021. That doesn't have any effect on all the rest of the craziness of 2020. I wish it did. Hot Wheels, why don't you show a little more power and get this year done with? But that also means that we're at the Lamley Awards. We can start considering them. I can start putting together the new model lists, licensed new models, so we can vote on those. We can vote on super treasure hunts once I get my hands on all of those. All that kind of stuff. That will be coming up, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. We got to open up this case, right? Mattel sent this to me. They sent it to me at the exact same time that they sent the P case, so that's why I'm getting to this, which suggests to me, since, you know, they sometimes will send me cars from their offices, but everyone's still working at home at Mattel, so it means that they're sending these from their distribution centers. So that suggests to me that these cases for you US collectors are going to be, the P case will be out soon. I think some people have actually even found it, and the Q case will probably follow right behind it. So look for these cases to hit your local stores very, very soon. Enough of that. Let's open this up. Q case. And then we are done. Okay. Here we go. We start with the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This is the recolor of the red model. Looks really cool in that matte kind of charcoal gray. I'll enjoy doing a highlight video on that one and opening it up. The red one is still my favorite. I love the wheels on it. White one from last year is great too, so we'll maybe put all those together. Porsche 914, that is a holdover from the PK, so is that 57 Plymouth Fury. All of these are holdovers. The Toyota Tundra recolor for the Olympics. Custom 11 Camaro holdover. I believe that is a holdover. That is what I believe. All right. Mazda RX-3 holdover. Dodge Charger holdover. 20 Jeep Gladiator holdover. 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 Recolor. There we go. Something new for the Q case. 2010 Chevy Impala race car. That looks very, very nice. I think it was, first one was blue maybe. Can't remember. 52 Chevy pickup in a matte or olive green, kind of a patina look. That is nice. Mighty Max Garage. I'll put that in the highlight pile. We've already seen that Lamborghini Centenario in red, and we have also seen that 98 Honda Prelude in blue. Beautiful blue. Dodge Charger RT, is that a holdover? I cannot remember. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I think it is a holdover. That Lamborghini, we keep learning. Look at this. Roger Dodger looking mean. In red with those black rims. I like that. Not enough to collect it, but I like that. We've seen it. We've seen it. And we've seen it. And we've seen that. But it looks good anyway. But we haven't seen this one. Yeah, nice to see you back, 86 Monte Carlo SS. Looking good in white. Can't remember when this casting came out, but that's kind of cool. And there's the muscle bound again. Really cool muscle bound. Oh, new cast. See, when you open these, you know they're coming, and then you kind of forget, and then you open them up, and then you got a new model to look at. Night Dragon is not what I'm talking about, and I'm not talking about the crock rod either. I'm talking about this guy, 2018 Bentley Continental G T3. Dig in this race version of the Bentley Continental. They've done the stock version. This is a newer Bentley. Now, I'm going to agree with you because people are going to say, I would like to have seen the detailing on the back, and I would especially like to see the detailing on the front. I agree. Casting itself, let's just focus on that for a minute. Pretty awesome. It looks great. Spoiler's a little thick, but you have to expect that with metal. Ooh, Bentley logo on the top. That looks pretty good, but I agree with probably what you guys are saying because I'm saying it. It could use those headlights because they're such a unique part of the car. Well, all cars have headlights, but you know what I mean. Custom Auto. Here's the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS Urban Outlaw Deco. This, if it were a Spectre Flame, would be a super treasure hunt. It is not, but it still looks good. Magnus Walker Urban Outlaw Deco. So that's the other one we need to look at. And then the Dodge Viper, and if I remember, there it is. There above the Hot Wheels logo in yellow is the symbol. This is the regular treasure hunt. So having the Dodge Viper following the Chevy pickup is kind of cool. 2 licensed treasure hunts. Okay, there's another Pagani Huayra. There's the Custom Auto and the Aisle Driver. And what are we looking at here? Electro Silhouette, the I Believe, and there's the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. Looking good with the black rims on it. And a Hot Wheels Race Team deco. Pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. All right. What else we got? I got to remember what's new. That's not. That might be. That's not what I'm trying to remember is new. What I'm trying to remember is new models. Oh, look at that. Hot Wheels ID Chase. That's maybe why I recognized it. There we go. Nice to see the Hot Wheels ID Chase 70 Dodge Charger RT. I'll take it. I think we pulled the Aston Martin in the last case, so we'll do that. And then look at this. All kinds of new stuff. Big Air Bel Air recolor in white. Love it. Man, we'll have to put those two together, see which one we like better, but I really dig that one. And then here's a new casting, right? Yep, new for 2020. It is the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Like a lot of these castings, the Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes, if they're new cars, I collect them. Like new castings because they typically go kind of stock or some sort of factory deco in those first editions, and I love to collect them. I'm going to add that. Maybe I'll bring out the other Mustangs that I have that are released like this. That looks really good. And I'll put those together. Really nice new models so far. All right. With the Mustang and the Bentley, I think we're good. Oh! Kia Stinger looking good in that gray, kind of like the Porsche E-Hybrid Grand, whatever it was called last year, the wagon. That looks really good, the recolor of the Kia Stinger. Like it better than the blue. Of course, we've seen the SVT Lightning before. And the Runway Rescue, we've seen you. All right. All right. Liking this case. Electro Silhouette, welcome. And there's 2 more of the Erikenstein rods. Erikenstein. Really cool. All right. Shelby, we've seen that one. There's another one of there's 2 Shelby GT500s right next to each other. One very old and the other 2020. And then the Porsche 914. Kind of cool. See those together. Custom 11 Camaro. Shelby GT500 again. And then the Corvette C7 Z06. See? This is what I'm talking about too. It's not a first edition, but it's all decked out in like its stock colors, so I'm keeping that one. I'll put that one in the collection. I don't know if orange is stock color, but like there's no flames or clowns or whatever. Hey, 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, you're looking good too. Your recolor in green. Dodge Charger also looking good, and the Cruise Bruiser. Nice case. 70 Chevelle SS. Velocita El Viento. That's an airplane. This is a truck. And this is a Radical Racer. If you didn't know. And this is a Batcopter that looks like the Joker. And this is a recolor of the Toyota 2000 GT. And this is a Bruiser that cruises. And this is a 69 Camaro. We had the 67. Now the 69 is back. Been a while. And look, another cool recolor. How about that? 2019 Audi R8 Spider in red. Brilliant. Brilliant. Highlight pile, you go. And the Runway Rescue. Seems like I've pulled like 800 of those. And finally, to finish off this awesome case, we do get a second Bentley. Happy to see that. We've seen that Chevelle before, and we've seen this awesome recolor of the Nissan Silvia S13. Bentley, happy to have you. We're going to open all of you up for the highlight video. Not a bad case. So, the new model highlights for me. This Audi recolor, which looks good. Here, let's pull this case back up for your reference. So, Audi recolor, we're digging you. Kia, we're digging you. Big Air Bel Air, we're digging you. This is not going to work very well. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, definitely digging. Bentley Continental GT3, digging. Wish you'd put some more clothes on for this party, but that's okay. And lastly, never argue with an ID. So nice to have the ID Chase 70 Dodge Charger. That was originally the Fast and Furious casting, right? Now it's got this Mopar Ducko. Not bad. You guys tell me what you think. Highlight for me, Bentley looks cool. I think I'm going to go with the Shelby GT500 as the best of this of the new models introduced in this case. And I believe that's it for new models. So we'll compile all of them together. I'll do a separate video for Lamley. For the Lamley Awards, I'll make sure there's no recolors coming. There might be. I'm trying to think if there's any in like Dollar General or GameStop, if they're doing any of those. I don't know if they are or not. Groger just put out some new stuff. We'll make sure. And once all of them have been accounted for, Zamax as well, maybe even Target Red Editions. Got to look at all that stuff. We'll do those Lamley Awards once it's all ready to go and we have all those super treasure hunts out too. Right? I'll stop rambling. Thanks, everybody. That is the Q Case. 2020 is done! Kind of. Bye.